Crafted from sustainably sourced lumber, our hardwood tabletops are made using a natural chemical-free treatment that applies high heat and steam, rendering the wood naturally water-resistant, making them ideal for outdoor living spaces. And even with its high durability, this wood still retains its natural qualities and will patina over the seasons with beautiful characteristics. The precision milled boards are machined at a high tolerance for fit and finish, and can be easily replaced with new boards as the tops naturally age. Sustainably made and sourced, it's the perfect addition for your fire feature, adding additional protection plus a stylish functionality for your living space. Visit Lumacast.com to learn more about our beautifully crafted hardwood tabletops. Lumacast, the fire feature experience refined.